From a pantheistic perspective, the drama of war and religion takes on a different light. If the universe itself is conscious energy, or God manifested as the totality of existence, then no single nation, ideology, or army can claim divine favor exclusively. Conflict is not a test of divine approval, but a reflection of human choice, of how conscious beings exercise reason, empathy, and interconnectedness. Faith, in this sense, encourages responsibility and reflection. It does not bless the sword. It asks why the sword is raised at all. True spirituality becomes a guide toward understanding, empathy, and moral clarity. Now imagine a world where wars and religion never mix, where sacred texts, spiritual practices, and religious institutions exist entirely apart from politics, armies, and territorial ambitions. Religion will return to its reflective purpose, guiding human behavior toward compassion, empathy, and harmony rather than conquest. The dance of faith and war would end, replaced by a different rhythm, one of awareness, humility, and shared responsibility. And perhaps then, humanity would finally glimpse what spirituality was always meant to inspire. Not victory over others, but harmony with all. When war and religion dance together, the music is rarely peaceful.